To recover your Credit Karma account without an email, follow these steps. First, go to the Credit Karma website and click on the Login button. Then, select the Forgot Password option and enter your username or the phone number associated with your account. If you do not have access to this information, you can try to recover your account by answering security questions. If you are still unable to recover your account, you can contact Credit Karma support directly. To do this, go to the Credit Karma Help Center and click on the Contact Us option. You will be prompted to enter your name, phone number, and a description of your issue. Be sure to provide as much detail as possible so that the support team can assist you efficiently. When contacting support, it is essential to have any relevant information available, such as your social security number or other identifying details. This will help the support team verify your identity and assist you in recovering your account. In addition to contacting support, you can also try to recover your account by using the Credit Karma mobile app. To do this, download and install the app. Then click on the Forgot Password option and follow the prompts. The app may provide additional options for recovering your account, such as using a recovery phone number or answering security questions. It is crucial to keep in mind that recovering your Credit Karma account without an email may take some time and effort. Be patient and persistent, and make sure to follow the instructions provided by the support team carefully. By following these steps and providing the necessary information, you should be able to recover your Credit Karma account and regain access to your credit score and other financial information.